Well, hi there, pluckers. I've sore fingers again with you with a bit of a help lesson for all you Zach Bryan fans out there. This is I've been several requests to do a song called "Before This Damage Is Done" from Zach Bryan, which is an unfinished song. It's only fairly short because obviously it's not finished, but people are asking me about the chords, because there's nothing online about it, okay, at the moment I don't think anyway, and there's no videos of him actually playing it where you can see his fingers or anything, okay. So this is what I've come up with, okay, for all you Zach Bryan fans. So I'm in standard tuning, but I do have a capo on the 3rd fret, okay. Puts us into the same key, I think, that he's playing it in, because you can't see him playing it, so it's just an educated guess from the sound of the guitar that's on the recording, okay. So I'll just go through. It's basically all that's online is a verse and a sort of chorus, and it just repeats the whole thing, exactly the same words and everything, okay. So I'm just going to go through it once. Okay, so I'll just play the intro and the verse stroke chorus, okay? Well, you're a fighter, girl, I can't tell. You got a fire, girl, that can burn through hell. No, you don't know me, you're going to, baby. When you're looking at me like you've got a plan, like you fix me up, make me your man. I've been broken since the day I was born. Let me impress you, girl, before you go. Tell you pretty words before I hit the road. Act like I can tie a rope around the sun. Before this damage is done. Before this damage is done. Basically it does the whole thing all over again, okay. So let's do it. So let's go into it. So I said standard tuning, capo 3rd fret, you should be good to go. Starts on the C chord, right? So the introduction. So basically I'm playing down, down, up, down, right? Or something like that. Okay, down, down, up, right? And then we could do into 2nd chord is a G sus4, and I'm playing the G like this because you need to, because you need this 1st finger to play the 1st fret of the 2nd string, the B string. Okay, it should sound like that, G sus4. So far you've got this. Going to an A minor, and then we go to an F chord. I'm playing what I call F with C in the bass, or you could call it a 4-fingered F. So it's a standard F chord, but the 3rd finger goes up to the 5th string, the A string on the 3rd fret from the capo, and the pinky takes over on the 4th string, 3rd fret from the capo. Okay, so I'm only playing 5 downwards, okay, I'm not playing the bottom E string. In fact, I rest my thumb on it so it mutes it, okay. So, and what you do on this F chord, it's like, so you just start from the beginning, I'll go through it very slowly. There's 2 of those like bum, bum. So you start off with an F fretted, but when you strike it, you take that second finger away, leave the third string open, and then you put it back and repeat. So it does two of those, okay? You got it? So chord wise it's C, G sus4, A minor, and then this F with a pull off. Okay, now on the G, a little bit of fiddly bits. If you don't have to do it, but I think if you listen to it closely, he's doing a little bit with his pinky. Okay, so it's that is, you play the G sus4 and you go like, you move that pinky and then you take it off and then you put it on that second string, 3rd fret, and on off sort of thing, so it's like sort of thing, okay? But you don't have to do it, it's optional. Hang on, and the F pull off. And that's basically the chords for the verse as well, but you don't have to do any of the pinky bit on the G. That's only on the intro, okay? But you do a lot of this pull offs on the F all the way through, okay? So I'll go through the intro and then we'll do the first verse, okay? So well, you're a fighter girl, and I can tell you got a fighter girl that's been through hell. Though you don't know me, what you're going to, baby. And you're looking at me like you got a plan, like you can fix me up, make me a man. I've been broken since the day I was born. Keep going. Let me impress you, girl, before you go. Tell you pretty words before I hit the road. Back in time, road around the sun. And when you get to that word sun, you just do a single stroke on an F chord and stop. Okay, so that's fine. Act like a road around the sun. So when you get to that sun, you just do a single stop on F, okay? Before this damage can be done. Right, so on that, after he's done that, before this damage is done, you come in on the chorus, you do a hammer, and it's like a... So you're just lifting that second finger off the C chord and hammering it back in again. It's like constant. Da 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 da. And you do the same with the G sus4 with this again, the second finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret. A minor as usual. And then the F hammers up. Same as the usual on the F, where you sort of pull off that second finger to open and back again. Okay, so before this damage is done, exactly the same all over again. And that's the That's the unreleased version as far as I can make out. Thanks very much for watching and listening. Hopefully that'll help you play that, what's on there on YouTube at the present time. Thanks very much indeed. Bye.